We are with Steve Welby, the Executive Director of IEEE. Talk about what the association is, and then let's talk about the future.
Well, IEEE is the world's largest organization of technical professionals with over 420,000 members in 160 countries, all working to advance technology for the sake of humanity.
And even something like Wi-Fi you've been involved with.
Well, underneath the lid, Wi-Fi is IEEE 802.11. That's the standard that defines how all Wi-Fi devices work. And that's just an example of where IEEE is involved in shaping the future of technology.
So you convene all of these brilliant people from different companies, and they come up with amazing solutions. So talk about what you're seeing in the future. Talk about automated cars.
I think that there's a number of things that are happening that get me very excited. Automated vehicles, I think, is one of them. We're going to see autonomous intelligence systems involved in all aspects of our lives over the next few years. And one of the places where I think that's going to happen fastest is in vehicles. It's going to change the shape of logistics. It's going to change the shape of individual transport. And I think it's going to add a lot of features from a safety perspective. Today, you see vehicles that have automatic braking systems and anti-collision systems. Soon there'll be less need to put your hands on the wheel as autonomy becomes increasingly more reliable and more important for protecting people.
It'll be much safer. How about energy?
I think that we're seeing a revolution in green energy. There's pieces of that are behind the scenes in terms of smart grids and new ways to ensure the reliability of wind and solar and other energy systems, large-scale energy storage. And I think that's going to be key to helping address some of the challenges with carbon.
Finally, AI.
We've been engaged in AI, of course, since AI was born, but over the last few years, accelerating interest in how AI is going to shape the future of the workplace, regulation, legislation, how are we going to deal with AI in our lives? And IEEE has been trying to engage forums of experts to help us think through that, inform the broader community, and help shape that future.